Dale Ball. My title is President and COO of the company, and Ace Metal Crafts is the company. We're a contract manufacturer. We're a job shop. We have about 116 people. The nature of our business has changed. It's got so much more complex. The amount of information that you have to handle at any one time is so much higher. Obviously with your growth that comes, but also the nature of our customers have changed and their expectations are higher. They want things faster, they want quality better, they need you to be the lowest cost provider. And so to do that, the information that you need to be able to continually stay ahead of that has really increased dramatically. I have the accessibility to get to data very quickly, and the data is real time. And so it helps us from a standpoint of seeing trends in our business, what things are affecting other things. I can drill down and ask our people, hey, I need this information quickly. And I can get a dashboard set up for me very quickly that allows me visibility into the areas of the business that I couldn't do before. And so what that does is it just allows me to be a little bit more, or us as a company, be more proactive and see these things ahead of time. We can react right away at the point of occurrence so that people can make a change before it's already spent. We can get, and so what does that do for the people on the floor? They feel taken care of. I mean, you're responding to their problems instantaneously versus off some report a month later. And so it's good for the company, it's good for the culture, it's been great for everyone. Yes, I would. For a few reasons, I guess, and I mentioned before, it's so flexible to be able to customize it in a way that works well for what you want to do as a company. We didn't feel like we were bound by these strict guidelines. It's able to be flexible, but then you don't lose its value if you change it a lot. It adapts to different people on where it's in the office or on the shop floor. It's user-friendly, but yet very robust system. It handles everything from start to finish in our company, but yet it does it in a way where it can be customizable to be able to access data easily and very visual, which has been a big deal for us.